Your CPU has 8 brilliant cores. Your graphics card has 10,000 simple ones, and for some jobs, the simple ones win 100 to 1. A CPU is a latency machine. Finish this one task as fast as possible. A GPU is a throughput machine. Finish millions of independent tasks per second, even if each one is slow. A CPU core spends most transistors on cleverness, caches, predictions, reordering. A GPU strips that out and spends everything on raw arithmetic. Thousands of tiny calculators. And when 1,000 of them stall, waiting on memory, the GPU just switches to 1,000 others. No waiting, no cleverness, sheer numbers. That's why GPUs shine when work splits into millions of identical pieces. Every pixel on your screen, every triangle of a 3D model, and every weight in a neural network. Few and clever, many and simple, pick the right machine.